The power of you manifesting your dreams. Look around you. What do you see? Joy, love, achievement. These are the moments that make life worth living, aren't they? We've all looked at others and thought, how do they do it? How do they attract such incredible things into their lives? The secret might lie in the power of manifestation. It's not magic. It's about understanding the incredible connection between your mind and the world around you. It's about harnessing your own power to create the life you've always envisioned. In this video, we'll explore effective manifestation techniques backed by both personal experiences and scientific insights. I'm talking about tools and practices that can unlock your potential and help you manifest your deepest desires. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, the first step on this journey to manifestation is all about intention. It's about getting crystal clear about what you want in your life. We often go through life with vague desires, thinking, oh, I want to be happy, or I want to be successful. But what does that really mean? See, the universe, that magnificent force, responds to clarity. It needs a clear signal from you, a beacon to guide it. If you're sending out fuzzy, undefined wishes, you're going to get fuzzy, undefined results. That's why it's crucial to define your desires with laser focus. Let's say you're dreaming of a new career. Don't just say, I want a better job. Ask yourself, what kind of work truly lights me up? What are my passions? Maybe you've always loved to write, and you dream of being an author. Instead of a vague desire, you now have a clear intention. I want to write and publish a novel within the next 2 years. See the difference? When you're specific, you give your energy a direction, a target to aim for. It's like using a compass to navigate your life. You know where you want to go, and that, my friends, is incredibly powerful. Write down your intentions in a journal. Yes, put pen to paper, make it real. When you write something down, you're sending a powerful message to yourself and to the universe. You're saying, this is what I want. This is what I'm working towards. And don't be afraid to be bold. This is your life, your dreams. Dream big, and then dream even bigger. Now, once you've set your intentions, the next step in this incredible journey of manifestation is visualization. You see, our minds are powerful instruments, and what we focus on, we attract. Visualization is about creating a clear mental picture of your desired outcome, of seeing yourself already living that dream. Imagine this. You're walking across the stage, receiving your diploma. You can feel the pride swelling in your chest, hear the applause of the crowd, see the smiles on your loved ones' faces. Or maybe your dream is to own your own home. Picture yourself turning the key in the lock, stepping inside, feeling the warmth of your own space surround you. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's about engaging all of your senses to create a vivid, tangible experience in your mind. See the colors, hear the sounds, smell the scents, feel the emotions. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful it becomes. You see, our subconscious minds don't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you repeatedly visualize your goals, you're essentially programming your subconscious to believe that they're already yours. And when your subconscious believes it, it starts working tirelessly behind the scenes to make it happen. Think of it like training for a marathon. You don't just show up on race day without any preparation. You train your body, you build your endurance, you visualize yourself crossing that finish line. Manifestation is similar. You're training your mind to attract the life you desire. Make visualization a regular practice. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and create a mental movie of your dreams. See yourself living that reality. Feel the emotions, embrace the joy. The more you do this, the more you'll align your energy with your desires, and the universe will conspire to make it happen. Chapter 3. The Power of Positive Affirmations, Speaking Your Truth into Existence. Now let's talk about the power of our words. We use them every single day, sometimes without even realizing the impact they have. The words we speak, the thoughts we think, they carry a vibration, an energy that goes out into the world and shapes our reality. That's why positive affirmations are so powerful. Affirmations are positive statements that describe your desired reality as if it's already true. They're like planting seeds of intention in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough, or I'll never achieve that, you start saying things like, I am worthy of love and success, or I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Now I know it might feel strange at first, like you're telling yourself a little white lie, but trust me, your subconscious mind is always listening. And the more you repeat these positive affirmations, the more you start to believe them. They begin to seep into your belief system, shifting your mindset from one of lack and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. Think of it like this. If you constantly tell a child they're clumsy and awkward, they're likely to believe it and act accordingly. But if you encourage them, tell them they're graceful and talented, they'll start to see themselves differently. The same principle applies to us. What we tell ourselves matters. So how do you incorporate affirmations into your daily life? It's simple. Start by identifying the negative self-talk that's holding you back. What are the limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck? Once you've identified them, create positive affirmations that directly contradict those beliefs. For example, if you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough to start my own business," your affirmation could be, "I am confident, capable, and ready to create a thriving business." Write your affirmations down and repeat them every single day. Say them out loud in the mirror, write them in your journal, listen to them as you're falling asleep. The more you immerse yourself in these positive statements, the more deeply they'll resonate within you. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You have the power to choose your thoughts. And by choosing positive, empowering thoughts, you change the trajectory of your life. Affirmations are a powerful tool for rewiring your subconscious mind and aligning your energy with the life you desire. Use them with intention, believe in their power, and watch as your reality transforms. Consistency is key. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Chapter 4. Taking Inspired Action from Dreams to Reality. Now we've talked about setting clear intentions, visualizing our goals, and using positive affirmations to shift our mindset. But here's the thing about manifestation. It's not just about thinking, it's about doing, it's about taking inspired action. You see, the universe loves action. It responds to movement, to effort. When you take action, you're sending a clear message to the universe that you're serious about your desires. You're showing up, putting in the work, and creating the space for your dreams to manifest. Now, this doesn't mean you have to have it all figured out or know every single step of the journey. In fact, sometimes the most inspired action is simply taking that first step, even if it's a small one. It's about trusting your intuition, listening to that inner voice that's guiding you, and taking those aligned actions that move you closer to your goals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just sit on your couch and wish for a delicious meal to magically appear, would you? You'd get up, go to the kitchen, and start cooking. Manifestation is similar. It requires both the ingredients of thought and the action of preparation. So what does inspired action look like? It's about taking those steps that feel aligned with your soul's purpose. Those actions that light you up and fill you with a sense of excitement. It's about being open to opportunities, saying yes to possibilities, and stepping outside of your comfort zone. The key is to take action consistently. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Even if you only have 15 minutes to spare, do something that moves you closer to your goals. Remember, small steps taken consistently lead to big results over time. Chapter 5. The Power of Gratitude. Shifting your focus to abundance. Now, the final key to unlocking the secrets of manifestation is gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a state of being, a lens through which we choose to view the world. It's about shifting our focus from what we lack to what we have, from what's wrong to what's right, and when we do that, something magical happens. You see, gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. When we appreciate the good in our lives, we open ourselves up to receive even more. It's like we're sending a signal to the universe saying, hey, we're grateful for all of this abundance and we're ready for more. Now, I know it can be easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, to focus on what we don't have, to dwell on the negative. But when we do that, we create a vibration of lack, and that's what we attract more of. Gratitude, on the other hand, raises our vibration. It puts us in a state of abundance, and when we're in that state, we're more likely to attract the things we desire. It's like the universe is saying, oh, you're already appreciating what you have? Here's some more. So, how do we cultivate more gratitude in our lives? It starts by making it a conscious practice. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on all the things you're grateful for, both big and small. It could be your health, your family, your friends, your home, a beautiful sunset, a delicious meal, a good book. The more you focus on the good, the more you'll find to be grateful for. Keep a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. The act of writing it down helps to solidify it in your mind and heart. Make gratitude a part of your daily routine. The journey begins now. Embrace the power of manifestation. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? From the importance of setting clear intentions to the power of visualization, affirmations, inspired action, and gratitude, we've explored the essential elements of manifestation. But remember, it's not about mastering every single technique perfectly. It's about taking what resonates with you and incorporating it into your life in a way that feels authentic and empowering. Manifestation combines clarity, belief, action, and gratitude. By aligning your thoughts and actions with your desires, you can turn your dreams into reality. Start today and watch the magic unfold. Believe in your dreams, trust the process, and never give up on the power within you to create a life filled with joy, purpose, and abundance. Subscribe for more insights on personal growth and success. Share your manifestation experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Remember, you are capable of creating extraordinary things. The journey begins now.